Okay, we're just going to do a cold start on the Toyota here. Starts right up. See the radio works. We'll show here that the sunroof opens as well as closes. Idles nicely, no lights on or anything like that. Get out. No smoke or anything like that. Nice smooth idle. Okay, here's January 9th. We're gonna just take a quick ride in the Land Cruiser, and as you can see, all the gauges, everything's reading normal. Feels nice and tight. Drives really smooth. Shifts smooth, steering feels nice and tight. Not a lot of rattles or shakes or anything like that, so it drives for the amount of years and miles. It drives very nice, and like I said, not a lot of road noise from the tires, which is nice. Steering and suspension feel really nice and tight. Overall, just a really nice riding vehicle.